Hey everyone! And today, I'm going to share with you some incredible facts about New York City. Let's get started. First up, did you know that New York City was originally called New Amsterdam? It was founded by Dutch settlers in 1624 and later renamed by the British in 1664. The Statue of Liberty, a gift from France, has welcomed millions of immigrants arriving through Ellis Island since 1886. And speaking of history, Wall Street is the financial heartbeat of the world, home to the New York Stock Exchange, which has been a symbol of economic power since 1792. New York City is a melting pot of cultures, with people from all over the world calling it home. You can experience a rich tapestry of cultures in neighborhoods like Chinatown, Little Italy, and Harlem, each offering a unique blend of traditions, foods. Of course, we can't talk about New York City without mentioning its iconic landmarks. The Empire State Building, once the tallest building in the world, offers stunning views of the city. Central Park, a green oasis in the heart of Manhattan, is perfect for a leisurely stroll or a picnic. The Brooklyn Bridge, completed in 1883, is an engineering marvel and a symbol of New York's ingenuity. And the One World Trade Center, built on the site of the former Twin Towers, stands as a tribute to resilience and hope. New York City is a global hub for arts and entertainment. Broadway is synonymous with world-class theater, attracting millions of visitors every year. The Metropolitan Museum of Art, one of the largest and most prestigious museums in the world, houses over 2 million works of art. When it comes to food, New York City is unbeatable. From iconic New York-style pizza to gourmet dining, the city offers something for every palate. Be sure to try a bagel with lox and a classic hot dog from one of the many street vendors. Here are a few fun facts to wrap things up. The New York Public Library is the third largest library in the world. Grand Central Terminal has a secret underground track that was used by President Franklin D. Roosevelt. And Coney Island, with its historic amusement park, has been a popular destination since the late 19th century. So there you have it. Some amazing facts about New York City. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.